The figure below shows a circle inside a square of side 12 centimeters. O is the center of the circle over here. What percentage of the figure is shaded? Take pi to be equal to 3.14. So we have this shape. Again, to find the shape individually, alright, to separate the shaded parts and then to find them individually or in groups, that will be quite difficult. So let's try and manipulate the shapes. One thing you can see, let's cut it up in this manner, alright? So what if I did this? So that there is a mirror image. Now let's try and shift the shapes around. One of the most obvious way to shift it is taking this, let me shade it. Take this triangle over here, and where do you move it to? You move it here. Once you move it here, you will get one semicircle and this triangle. Alright, again, to find the shaded area, after you shift this here, you will cover the entire semicircle plus this triangle. Both are quite easy to find in terms of their area. So let's start. Step 1, area of the semicircle. There will be half times the pi, which is 3.14, times the radius. In this case, the radius will be 6. Alright, so this is a square, therefore, this is 6, this is also 6. 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter. And the answer here is 56.52 centimeter square. Next, we are going to find the area of this triangle over here. This triangle over here. And area of triangle is equal to half times the base, which is 6. This is the base, and then the vertical height times another 6. That will be 18 centimeter square. Moving on to the answer, percentage of the figure that is shaded. To find the percentage of the figure that is shaded, for some of y'all, if you have forgotten how to do it, maybe you can think about another way. Instead of finding what percentage of first, you can figure out what is the what fraction of. We have learned that since primary 5, isn't it? So what fraction of the figure is shaded? So what fraction of the entire thing is shaded? The fraction answer would just be the shaded area, which is 56.52 plus 18. This is the shaded area out of the entire figure. In this case, we know that it is 12 times 12, isn't it? This is a square, so the area of the square is 12 times 12. Now, this is the fraction answer. If they ask fraction of the figure that is shaded, you solve for this, and that is the final answer. However, in this case, they want the percentage answer. So we're going to convert this fraction answer, alright, this thing into percentage. And how do we convert fraction to percentage? We multiply it by 100%. Note, when you key this whole thing into the calculator, do not type in the percentage symbol. you would treat this like any other units like meter, cm, kg, liters, etc. Okay, so you do not key units into the calculator. So we just type this divided by this multiplied by 100. So the answer is 51.75%.